The moment of action is here. So let's jump right into this lesson and create our first visual.
First, let's take a look at the visualization pane on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the chart types and visuals you can create. You'll notice a variety of options like line chart, pie chart, and more. But for now, let's start with the bar chart. To get started, click on the bar chart icon. It's the first one. Once you click it, a blank visual will appear on your report canvas. It says to select or drag fields to populate the visual, and that's exactly what we'll do. Let's create the first chart to display the revenue by each state. To do that, we'll head to our data pane on the right. You can see a list of all of your columns here. The amount column is the one that has the revenue information. So we'll click on it, hold it, and drag it to the x-axis section in the visualization pane. We will see a horizontal bar appear in the visual with total sales information. Power BI automatically summed up the amount in the background. There are other calculations as well that can be done on this field. To explore them, we can either right-click or click on this drop-down icon in the field. Here you will see the other calculations that can be performed on this field. Next, let's add the state field to our y-axis. Just like before, find state in your field pane and drag it over to your y-axis section. This will now plot your states along the vertical axis. You now have a clear view of how sales have trended by each state.
And just like that, you have created your first visual in Power BI.
This looks awesome! I can't believe how simple that was. But, my boss loves colorful charts. He's like a visual person or something. If it's not bright enough, I'm pretty sure he's going to ignore it. Can we, make it pop?
Yes, of course, Benji. Let's head to the next lesson and add that extra flair.